A lot of you have been asking me to bring new live streaming apps, so I tried out a new one I recently discovered. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience and showing you how the app works. Let me drop a quick disclaimer. Please note that this video is for learning purposes only and results may be different for everyone. Now let's get into the video. So this new live streaming app is called Chatta, and it's a live streaming app where people can go live, chat and interact with others. To get started, go to your Play Store or App Store and download the app. From my experience, you don't need any referral link to download the app, and there is no invitation system on the app as well. Now after downloading the app, open the app and then sign in using Google or Facebook. For me, I'm using my Google account, but you can choose any option you prefer. After signing in, the app will ask you to set up your profile. You choose your gender, your hometown, depending on your location. For me, I would go with Lagos. Where is Lagos? Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to click on the next button. Now you'll be asked to upload your profile photo, which is a portrait. So click on the first image icon and then choose your real photo. After uploading your profile photo, you'll be asked to pick a nickname. For me, I'll go with Jasmine and then I'll click on the next button. What is your date of birth? What's your birthday? Pick your birthday and then you click on the next button. The app may ask for some extra details like height, your weight, and also a short description of yourself. So just choose what you're comfortable with, and yeah, you can actually change this later. Your weight, I'll go for 55 to 60 kg. Now, how do you describe yourself? Here, you can just choose what best describes you, and you are only allowed to choose just four options. Okay, so make sure you choose only four. You can exit that, and once you're done, you click on the next button. Here, they are simply asking you what you do for work. So select from the list the one that best describes your profession and then click on the next button. So here they are asking you to upload some images just to share some moments of your life. Well, just click on the skip button. It's not important, okay? And you can do this later if you wish to. So that's basically it. We're done setting our profile. Once you're done with your profile, you'll be brought to the main page of the app where you see the home page. On the app, there are about four interfaces. We have the home page, also the live stream page, where you see your fellow live streamers, and then we have the chats. This is where you see your messages, even the information sent to you, and the last one, which is the dashboard or the me interface, which shows your profile, your details, and yeah, the task center. But after registering on this app, the task center will not appear to you immediately. You will first need to become what is called a matchmaker on this app before you can be given a tax center. Now let me quickly show you how that's done. You will need the matchmaker link, which I'll leave in the description and comment section of this video. Click on it and it will redirect you to this place where you'll be required to become a matchmaker or a chatter host. Now for those of you who plan to become agents on this live stream app, just kindly skip this process. I'll make a separate video showing you how you can become agents on this live stream app. Now head back to your app and copy your ID to paste here in the given column and then click on the send button for them to send you a verification code to verify your account. So you'll see it in your message. That's where you have your chat. Copy the verification code and then paste it here in the column provided for the verification code. The last step is to add your WhatsApp digits. Okay, so just add your digit there and then click on confirm. So that's basically it. To confirm that you successfully joined the agency, you see this message that says congratulations on becoming a new Chatter matchmaker. Now you can go ahead to check your dashboard on the Me interface for the tax center. Voila, it's as easy as that. Just so you know, you need to complete your face verification before you can access the task. So now when you click on the tax center, this is where you'll be brought to. You will see the two available tasks for you to perform. The first one requires you to go live for 240 minutes, while the second one requires you to invite couples on mic for 5 minutes. Don't worry, in another video I'll show you basically how to perform your tasks on this new live streaming app. Please note that what you see here is based on how the app looks at the time I'm recording this video. Things can change at any time. Like other live streaming apps, results depend on how active you are and the rules of the app. Only use the app if you know it works for you and your schedule. Lastly, for those who want to access the Livestream Tax Center, there may be an extra step required inside the app. You can follow the official instructions shown on your screen, and you might need to join the app's official community and provide your Chatter Livestream ID as directed there. Once you've completed the official steps, you will now have access to the live tax as explained in the app. So in another video, I will show you how to perform your task, the boat tax on the app, the 4-hour live streaming tax, and the couples tax, even the smile tax, all together, so you know how this is done. All right, so if you've not liked this video yet, you've not subscribed to the channel yet, and you've not turned on the notification bell, do that right now, so when I post that video you will not miss it. I'll be taking your questions in the comment section below. And yes, compliments of the season. I wish you all a happy new year in advance. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next live stream tutorial video.